the heart of Sweden, our very own Bilan Cusmaan is making waves. Bilan, a name causing major thumb exercise for the Swedes, because who can resist a good tweet when it comes to her? This Somali-sourced mystery woman is all the buzz on social media platforms, making this Nordic nation a hotbed of digital chatter and turning tranquility into a foreign concept for her. Quite ironic for a woman who probably knows the ins and outs of IKEA. A fellow Swede's cryptic comment about her recently has only added more spice to the Swedish meatballs, leading to countless theories and conjectures. Everyone's fishing for answers in the deep sea of the internet, but just like the elusive ABBA reunion, they remain just out of reach. The quest to unravel the truth about our Somali sensation, Bilan Cusmaan, continues, with every new post, every new comment adding more logs to the digital bonfire. In this digital age, where whispers turn into roars and a tweet can erupt a social media volcano, the tale of Bilan Cusmaan stands as a hilarious yet compelling reminder. The power of words, the influence of social media, and the unending curiosity of the human spirit, all tangled up in the ongoing saga of this enigmatic Swedish Somali queen. As we delve deeper into the story of Bilan Cusmaan, it's important to note that this Somali Swede is not just any ordinary person. She is a woman of intrigue, a woman who has managed to captivate an entire nation without resorting to the superficial appeal of the latest fashion trends. No, she hasn't started a new trend of wearing socks with sandals, although, given her sudden rise to notoriety, one might think so. Rather, it's something far more intriguing that has catapulted her into the limelight. Cusmaan has managed to create a buzz, a sense of mystery, and an unquenchable curiosity that has the entire nation of Sweden and beyond asking one question: who is Bilan Cusmaan? The answer to that question is not as simple as it may seem. In a world where everyone is an open book, Bilan Cusmaan remains a chapter yet to be read. As the story unfolds, we continue our journey into the enigma that is Bilan Cusmaan, where every new revelation seems to raise more questions than it answers. Stay tuned as we dig deeper into the mystery that is Bilan Cusmaan.